The Turkish Foreign Ministry announces through their spokesman Hami Aksoy how the rights of the Uyghurs in East Turkestan are still being heard and how the situation has worsened, especially in the last 2 years. We all wish the fallen martyrs the blessing of God. On this occasion, we appeal to China to protect the rights of the minorities and to close the camps from now on. The community of the Gulbarha Hatun Mosque from Trabzon prayed and commemorated the Uyghurs who have been tyrannized for decades by the Chinese authorities. In New York, a human rights demonstration was held in front of the Chinese embassy. The Assad regime and Iranian-backed terrorist groups attacked a demilitarized zone, killing 5 members of a family. Through this military act, Assad ignored the binding agreement in Sochi, in which it is defined as a taboo to attack a demilitarized zone. Camouflaged Israeli forces carried out an operation at the Jamal Abdel Nasser Mosque in Ramallah, arresting Hamza Ghanem, a member of the Ministry of Religious Affairs and Palestinian Foundations. 3 Palestinians were injured during the happening. Anatoly Antonov, a Russian ambassador in Washington, is pleading for a good preparation if Trump and Putin meet up. Also, in order to engage in a normal dialogue, the United States should abandon its ultimatum rhetoric.